Good morning, everybody. I am top astrology astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this video, I would like to tell you about the top gaining shares during June to December 2021. Disclaimer: the views expressed in this channel are made to prove my invention, top astrological system, and the equation past is equal to future. I am doing this paper trade to prove my concepts. The views expressed in this channel should not be taken as a share trading advice. Previous prediction check. Earlier, I have predicted that during 27 to 31 5 2021, we will have a low, and during 31 5 2021 to 2 6 2021, we will have a high. This high will be the new high in Indian stock market. Also, within the time zone, I have picked a time zone. Within low, the exact low could be at 31 5 2021 morning, and exact high is in the time zone of 1 6 2021 before 10:30 IST. In this time, I expected all three indexes will reach a new high. My prediction came true. As I predicted, on 1 6 2021, 9:45 IST, Nifty reached 15,609 points, which is new all-time high. BSE Sensex reached 52,064 points, which is only 90 points less than its all-time high. Bank Nifty reached 35,597 points, which is 1693 points less than its all-time high. This is the only point where all three indexes come this close to their respective highs. Earlier on 28 5 2021, when Nifty alone reached its all-time high, BSE Sensex and Bank Nifty were much far away from their respective highs. So what you have to understand is that there is a certain point of time in India's horoscope in which all the three indexes will hit their maximum growth. I will explain it using the next picture. You see, on 1 6 2021, uh, I have given the data. We can read it or check it from the net itself. All are going towards their respective high. On 1 6 2021, 9:55 IST. Same way, if you check it on 31 5 2021 and on 1 6 2021 evening itself, see, it goes away. See, there is a certain point of time. Gradually, stock market will reach the point and will come down. As we go towards that point, market will climb. And as we cross the point, the market will start to come down. This is the thing we have to understand. So now I have confirmed the presence of high point in Indian stock market. I will find the equivalent high points again and again using my formula past is equal to future, and will buy before the high point and sell at the high point and book profit. In my paper trade, in the first buy and sell, I earned 9.5%. You can watch the previous videos and can know it. I don't want to say it here again. Now, as I told you earlier, I purchased Bank Nifty on 31 5 2021 morning and sold the same on 1 6 2021 9:45 IST. Let us check the result of the trade. Bank Nifty on 31 5 2021 9:25 IST. By that time, the market reached a low, but it did not survive for long. The low point did not survive for long. The reason is I have already explained in the previous videos. So the point is at 9:25 IST there was a low. The point is 34,998. On 1/6/2021, 945 IST did the maximum. The difference is 599 points, which means I had 1.7% profit in one day. Actually, on the field, while doing it, the profit will be little less than this because it is not possible to buy on exact low and sell on exact high. Anyway, I would have made profit for the purchase made anywhere in the predicted zone of low 27/5/2021 to 31/5/2021 and sold it on the high point of 1/6/2021 945 IST. So far in two simple low and high findings I have made money. Now I am moving on to a tougher attempt. Earlier, in the capacity of a trader who invests rupees 1 lakh into share trade, I had made the paper trade of two transactions. Now, in the capacity of a multi-millionaire who can afford to invest rupees 10 lakhs into share trading and wait for 6 months to get returns, I am making this trade. I know that by investing into stock market, I may lose my money also. But as a multi-millionaire, even if I lost this money, that is not going to make any changes in my life. So I am doing this investment into stock market. Regular viewers know that I have a list of shares which are the possible price gainers in the upcoming bull run from 16/6/2021 for 6 months. Now I am going to buy those shares with my investment. Let us check the previous performance of those shares before investing. I'm reading the shares. It's Dilip Buildcon, Alchem Lab, Jindal SAP, Infosys, NTCP Limited. You can see the from 1/4/2021 to 25/5/2021, the difference between the share price. I'm checking these shares from 1/4/2021. That's why I have given this date. TCS, Dr. Reddy's Labs, Tech Mahindra, Sun Pharma, Asian Paints. These shares have gained a net gain of 5.64% rise in 655 days. BSE Sensex on 1/4/2021 is 50,029 and on 25/5/2021 is 50,639. So you can see the Sensex has grown only 1.2%, but these prices have gained 5.64%. Another set of check. I'm reading it. This check was done between 26/3/2021 to 25/5/2021. Titan, Bajaj Auto, Hindustan Unilever, Tata Steel, Godrej Properties, Adani Transmission, SAIL, Z Enterprises, Maruti Suzuki. These shares have gained 19.3% rise in 60 days, whereas the BSE Sensex has risen only 3.3%. So these shares, I expect these shares to grow more than what Sensex can grow. Now I'm finalizing the list for my portfolio. In the above list, I am removing steel stocks like SAIL, Jindal Steel and Power, Tata Steel, because steel industry is going through a rough patch now. Also removing Dilip Buildcon and Hindustan Unilever Limited. And I'm adding Reliance Industries Limited into my portfolio, but not permanently. Constantly, I will buy and sell Reliance Industries shares. Also, I'm adding SBI, which is State Bank of India, and HDFC Bank into my portfolio. Out of these shares, many will rise and few will fall. So I will not buy any one or few of these shares alone. When I buy, I will buy everything in equal proportions of the money I invest. To sell these portfolio shares, I have fixed three time points which are equivalent to the high point created on 1/6/2021 9:45 IST. They are high point 1 21/6/2021, high point 2 17/9/2021, high point 3 28/12/2021. Earlier, I had thought about buying once and sell it at the third point, which is 6 months away. But share trading experts and other astrologers expected downfall and sideways movement in the Indian stock market because it had reached the peak point. So I'm taking those views into consideration. If my views are correct, then I will sell the portfolio on the first high point, which is 21/6/2021. Also, even before the first high point, I will sell the portfolio and buy the shares again. Or, like others say, if the market did not go up and continued its sideways movement, then I will wait for some time and sell on second or third high point given. I am ready to wait for 6 months to make profit. To sum it up, I can say if I am right, then I will make profit in few days. If I am wrong, then I will make profit in 6 months. I will buy the shares, which is paper trade. Actually, I am not buying in the portfolio on 2/6/2021. I am setting a stop loss at 4% reduction from the purchase price. If the price of any stock I am holding is reduced by 4%, then it will have to be sold automatically. Check the price rise or fall according to top astrological concepts. I will add shares and remove shares from my portfolio as and when required. Thank you.